Here is the FPD smart TV that has Google TV. I'm going to show you how to factory reset this. So first thing is just go to your home page. You can click on the home button. And then from here we want to go to the settings, or you can simply tap, if you have this remote here, you can tap on the settings button on the remote. If not, we can just navigate to the top right hand side where that gear icon is, move all the way over to the right. Make sure all settings is highlighted, okay on the remote. From here we're going to go down to system right there. System, okay on the remote. And then from here we're going to go down to about right there, okay on the remote. And then we're going to go down to reset right there, click on okay on the remote, and it says factory reset there. We're going to select on okay on the remote, and it says this will restore your device to default settings and erase all data, accounts, files, and downloaded apps. You want to continue, go down to factory reset, click on okay on the remote, and then once you do this, this cannot be undone. Okay, so we're going to proceed. We're going to go down to erase everything. Click OK on the remote. TV's restarting. And the screen was pure black for like 30 seconds. Now we get this on here. It says erasing. And voila, factory reset is done. And you can go ahead and start back over as a clean slate, or you can go ahead and sell the TV now. Pretty simple.